Jewel, I love you, and I'm going to use your comment to bring even more awareness to the importance of mindfulness. Clarity is absolutely everything. It is so easy for you to get clear on all the things you don't like, but why does it feel impossible to get extremely clear on the things that you love? Don't freak out, but we're going to talk about how meditation is the cornerstone of all mindfulness practices. So I'm going to show you how someone as amazing as Jewel may use mindfulness to tap into her creative abilities. Mindfulness is being fully present and aware of our thoughts, our feelings, and our sensations without judgment. There's no such thing as a bad thought. Simple meditation allows us to observe our inner world and create a sense of balance. When you feel good, you do good. Regular practice actually reduces stress and enhances your emotional regulation. Less mood swings, you're not as angry, you don't react to things anymore. It puts you in control of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The opposite of that is like handing the keys to your world to everybody else that's equally struggling to manage their own empire. You can't trust them with your emotions. But mindfulness and meditation helps you create trust with your own emotions. Not to mention, if you've got ADHD, it dramatically enhances your focus and creates extreme clarity. If you have intrusive thoughts, you have negative self-talk, you deal with depression or anxiety, then mindfulness may be the tool for you. As your mindfulness practices deepen, you start to notice an amplification in your creative abilities. It also enhances your ability to connect with yourself and others. So if you struggle with substance abuse like alcohol, drugs, sex, any type of toxicity, the opposite of addiction is connection. Any person that uses a toxic mindfulness technique like alcohol is simply trying to connect with peace. Mindfulness helps us tap into the present moment, this one, and this is where creativity and connection thrives. I could only imagine how connected and present Jewel was when she wrote songs that have literally changed the world. My moment of clarity was worth the lifetime of pain. Mindfulness gives you the ability to harness your imagination and step deeper into your creative process. This also gives you permission to thoroughly and authentically express yourself, also known as play. Mindfulness isn't just about doing, it's also about receiving. The more in tune you are with your mind and body, the greater of an experience you could have at all moments. When the only thing that you're tapped into is love and light and peace and enlightenment, then all of those negative things around you literally disappear. And if they arrive, you're in control. So if you're ready to practice mindfulness, check out the resources on my page and look for ADHD Alchemy.